Good morning, everyone. Today, as we were doing our chapter number 11, Computer Network Part 1. So, today's topic is component of a computer network. Means when we make a computer network, so how many components or which type of components we use in it. So, first of all, I want to tell you these are the components we will use in our net computer network. First is host or nodes, second is server, third is client, and fourth is network hardware, communication channel, software, and network services. So first of all, I want to tell you that is host and nodes. Host and nodes are nothing. These are the computers or devices. Okay, this is a network, and these are the devices which are connected to the server. So these devices are called as client, host, or nodes. Okay, the devices which request to the server are called client, host, or nodes. It can be PC, it can be laptop, it can be smartphone, or it can be any other device which is connected to the server and request for a service. Second is server. Server is a very powerful computer. It is also a computer, but its storage sharing is very high. Okay, like in this network, this is server, and this is also a computer network. Okay, don't take it otherwise. It is also a computer system, but it is more powerful than other system which are connected to the network. So it is known as server. Okay, I have told you that all the softwares we can installed on the server, and all these systems, all the hosts or clients or nodes can use the softwares installed on the server. Okay, if this client system, I have named them A, B, C, D, E. So if client system A want a service from server, it will request to the server, and server, if that request, that services exist on server, it fulfills its request. ओके अगर ए को कुछ सॉफ्टवेयर शेयर करना है या कोई स्टोरेज शेयर करनी है, देन ए विल रिक्वेस्ट टू द सर्वर. Okay, and server, if it has the storage and if it has that software which A wants to use, then it will fulfill that request. Okay, it will fulfill that request. So this powerful computer is known as server. A server is very important computer in a network. A server is responsible for making the networking task happen. Okay, third is client. Client and host or nodes are same. The system, the device which requests to the server is called client. Now network hardware. Network hardware means hardware is that which we can touch and see. Okay, hardware is a device. So if we want to connect any computer or device to the network, that computer should have a hardware piece is known as network hardware. लाइक अगर आपके सिस्टम में नेटवर्क हार्डवेयर नहीं है, तो यू आर नॉट एबल टू कनेक्ट विद द नेटवर्क. दैट हार्डवेयर पीस allows you to connect in the network. So this network hardware piece are NIC, means network interface card, router, switch, hub, etc. These all are the network hardware which are required to connect with the network. And next is communication channel. Communication channel means I'm communicating to you all with the help of WhatsApp, with the help of wireless technology. So if we want to make any network, then this network needs some communication channel. Okay, if you want to change channel in your TV, then you take your remote and change the channel. So which type of technology is working there? That is wireless technology. Okay, if you want to switch on the refrigerator or the fan, that fan is connected to the switch with a wire, so that is wire technology. So in this network also we need some communication channel. It can be wire or wireless. Okay, in this network all these systems are connected to this server with the wire. So these are using wire technology. And if the system is Wi-Fi, okay, if it connects the Wi-Fi network, then the wires are not useful, so that time it will use wireless technology. So communication channel are those by which a communication can be made. Now these can be happen with the help of cables or radio links. Radio links means wireless technology and cables means wired technology. Next is software. If you want to connect with a network, then you should have a software also installed on your computer system or client machine or your server. Okay, if the system is installed on your server, then this is known as network operating system. Means your operating system which is installed on the server, it should be network operating system. Okay, and client software should be installed in your client systems. Only then you can make communication between the network. Now network services. अब कुछ नेटवर्क सर्विसेज भी होती है जो हमें यूज़ करनी होती है व्हेन वी मेक एनी नेटवर्क. ओके, दीज नेटवर्क सर्विसेज आर DNS, डोमेन नेम सिस्टम. ये सारी नेटवर्क सर्विसेज है जो हम यूज़ करते हैं जब हम कनेक्ट होते हैं नेटवर्क से. Okay, so these all are component of a computer network. So you should have all these things when you want to connect in the network. It depends on the computer network which you want to make at that time. So that's all for today. I'm giving you notes also. Note that in your fair notebook and show me your pictures. Thank you everyone.